Hi everybody, it's Jack here from Jack Tech 45 back with another video. Today, I'm here with some of the best ways you can start making money online. It doesn't matter where you come from, and it doesn't matter either you have capital or not. What you are going to learn in this video works 100%, and you can start right now for free. Watch the video till the end if you don't have any capital. Subscribe to the channel and like the video. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into it. It is not that hard to make money online. Writers can generate revenue by creating and selling content on their website or blog. They can also publish their work on other websites, like Medium, and earn money based on how many views they get. In 2023, it will be the most popular way to earn money online. Many people these days are turning to online jobs. Though there are millions of ways to make money online, some are easier than others and some have better payoffs as well. There are more and more people who prefer this way of earning money than offline jobs because it is less time-consuming and gives you enough time for your other commitments. Some of the best ways to earn money on the internet in 2022 according to a survey that was conducted by Thomas Anderson, a professor of sociology at Cornell University, are freelancing, e-commerce trading and arbitrage trading. The survey also found that entrepreneurship and blog writing can also be very profitable. However, these two paths take quite a lot of time and effort. You can choose from freelancing, blogging, affiliate marketing, and many more. However, the biggest share in making money online comes from affiliate marketing. With that said, you might be wondering what affiliate marketing. Well, affiliate marketing is the process by which you sell other people's products and services on a commission basis. Meaning, you earn some money every time someone buys a product or service using your link. You need to know how you can tap into this market and how it will work for you. The first thing that you need to do is to find a niche of your interest and start blogging about it. Don't worry if you don't have money to buy a website, because you can start blogging for free using Blogger. I will leave all the links in the video description. The next step is to figure out what is the audience of the blog. Will it be people interested in the niche or people who are already making a living with affiliate marketing? Ideally, it should be people who are already making a living, so they will have more information on their blog posts, and they may also be able to offer you advice on how to go about this business. You can start creating content as a freelancer on sites like Fiverr, People Per Hour, Upwork, and Textbroker. You can also start blogging for free using Blogspot, Wix, Weebly, Jimdo, and WordPress. Making money online is very easy if you are willing to put in the work. Don't expect to start earning money online from a short period of time. Making money online takes time and hard work. If you want fast money, then this video is not for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on that bell icon to get every single update on new videos.